is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a master discus lock. Let's see if we can't pick this bad boy open. So I keep my hands out of the way. Alright. That was... well, let's try her again just to make sure. That was like one pin. So, although this thing looks like it's very well built, you know, it does have the boron carbide action there. It's just so poorly built, y'all. I mean, why would you risk locking anything up with such a poor lock? This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.